It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite: sleep your way to ketosis. First thing is to put sleep first. When you're planning your day, your meals, and all the things you have to do, make sleep a high priority. It's as important as anything else you're planning as far as your diet, your health, and weight loss. Sleep is one of the most thoroughly studied health benefits. Getting enough sleep is absolutely necessary for your body to function properly, and that includes losing weight. Poor sleep or missing sleep will increase stress hormone levels. Now, if you're 20 years old, you can get away with this a little bit. But as we age, our bodies have less reserves and lower ability to recover. So when you go without proper sleep for any period of time, your body starts burning reserve energy and messing with your hormonal balance. The body is miraculous and it has ways of covering for you, but only up to a point. Stress hormones can prevent you from entering into ketosis or fat burning mode. Why would you do things that make it harder for you to lose weight, especially when the fix is so easy? Here's some tips for matching your sleep and your keto program together. Number 1, have a steady sleep schedule. Try to get to bed and get up at the same time every night. Obviously, you can't always do this because of work, family, or whatever, but most people can do this by making a plan and sticking to it. Your body works best by habit patterns. If you get in the habit of sleeping on a schedule, it'll reduce all kinds of other stress on you, physically and mentally. Number 2, keep the room totally dark. A lot of people like to keep a little light on. It's not really a good idea. Your forehead is actually light sensitive. If there are lights on, the brain doesn't turn completely off, as it's fooled into thinking there's daylight. Number 3, if you can, try to sleep in a cool room and then use covers to keep warm. Some people hate cold, and for whatever reason, it's usually because of a thyroid issue, but that's a whole nother topic. People do sleep better in cool than in heat. In the heat, you always toss and turn. Number 4, this is a really big one. Don't eat within 4 to 6 hours of going to bed. If your body is digesting food, it's not resting, it's working. You will not sleep well, and you won't be mentally sharp the next day if you eat before bed. Actually, you'll feel like you're in a brain fog all day. This is one of the causes of waking up and not being able to go back to sleep. If that's been one of your problems, try not eating for quite a while before bed and see if that helps with waking up and not being able to go back to sleep. If you have trouble falling asleep, there can be a bunch of reasons for that also, and one of them is having a lot of food in your stomach. There's an ancient yoga technique that may surprise you. Lay on your right side as you want to go to sleep. So as you lay on your right side, the left nostril will be facing up toward the ceiling. The right nostril will be down against the pillow. The nostril that's on top or facing up will open. Breathing through the left nostril calms and cools the body. To increase the effect, as you lay on your right side, bring your right hand up on the pillow and use your right thumb to close off your right nostril so that you're only breathing through your left nostril. As you do this, take 26 long, slow, deep breaths in and out through the left nostril only. You'll be amazed how relaxed you'll get in no time. If you need more help, you can take melatonin, which you can get at any health food store or drugstore or grocery store. Take it about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime and start with a small dose. And that's today's tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.